Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Glenda and we're back with another video. If you would like to be part of the G Squad, all you have to do is click that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time we upload a video. Now, on today's video, you guys see it, it's right here in your face. The camellia or camellia beans, kidney beans, red kidney beans. So what's going down in the kitchen today? Whatcha Cookin Glenda? I'm glad you asked. On the menu is red beans and rice. Yeah, it's coming complete with the andouille sausage, with the holy trinity, our bell peppers, our onions and celery, a whole host of seasonings. Y'all stay tuned. We'll be right back. So you guys, to start off, we took some celery ribs, about 3 to 4 ribs of celery and a large onion and 1 green bell pepper, and we chopped it up so that they can be put into a pot to saute. Okay, so now what you see is some of the andouille sausage. That is what you see, andouille sausage. And we're going to cut those just into rings, because you know, in order for you to have effective red beans and rice, you need to have some good old andouille sausage. Amen. You don't just need no red beans and no rice. You gotta have it fully stocked up and sopped up and sanctified all the way up and through there. So we're just cutting it into rings and setting them off to the side. Okay, so before we get into this pot, I want to let you guys know that I did soak the beans for like an hour, and then they also got drained and rinsed, and then I'll show you that right now. And now to the pot. We're gonna go in. I got some Smart Balance butter. You can use real butter, you can use olive oil, but we're going in to the pot, because what we're going to do is saute our vegetables and add a little color to our andouille sausage. You want to get those sauteed nicely in that butter. And I have this on a medium heat. So you want this to kind of cook down for maybe 5 to 7 minutes, depending on your stove. And then we're going to add in our andouille sausage. Y'all, I'm going to tell you like this. I use andouille. The smell coming off of those andouille sausage is to die for. However, if you do not have andouille sausage, use a good smoked sausage. A good premium smoked sausage. You definitely need that. Or a ham hock or something. I don't have a ham hock, so I'm not going to include that in this particular recipe. I'm going with what I have, and that is this ring of andouille sausage. Alright, so I'm going to turn up the heat to about a medium-high heat so we can let these vegetables cook. And we'll be right back when we add in our andouille. Alright, we're going to go in with our andouille sausage. It already smells delicious. I think the andouille sausage smells like beef jerky. You think so? Give that a mix, and it's also gonna render its own fat from it too. So, you know, the andouille sausage is a pork sausage blend. They have a mild and they have spicy, and my package didn't say mild, so I'm sure this has got a bit of a spice to it. You definitely can smell all the spices. Those of you who know, who cook with andouille sausage, you know what I mean. Alright, so we're back. I want to let you know, if you're following along, I added about a teaspoon of minced garlic to this. In the panoramic picture that you saw earlier, I did not have garlic in that picture, but you definitely need some garlic. And all I did was use this little jar right here, and I just had a little teaspoon of it. If you have fresh garlic, you just want to chop up or mince up about, you definitely want to mince it up, about maybe 4 cloves of garlic. 4 of, you know, the little cloves. So this is looking really good. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the beans. After they've been soaking for an hour, that's what they look like. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with 6 cups of water. You might need more later, but we'll see what that's like. And I'm gonna go in with a teaspoon of each for right now of the seasonings that you saw earlier. Some garlic powder. I'm sorry, that was onion powder. Granulated onion powder, granulated garlic powder. About a teaspoon or so of each. Oregano. A little bit of thyme. A teaspoon of each, because we want to be able to season as we go if we need it. Pepper. I got some Tony Cheshires here. That's gonna add a little bit of spice to it, but it's also your salt content. Help with your salt content. And we're gonna go in with some chicken bouillon, about a teaspoon chicken bouillon, and then I'm going to go in with some bay leaves. Some of my bay leaves broke, so I'm going to go in with about 4 bay leaves, and you want to make sure that they are submerged in the water. Give all this a nice little stir. Now I am going to add in maybe a cup more of water to this, and then we're going to turn this, put this on like a medium heat so we can come to a boil. When it's coming to a boil, I will come back and let you see what it looks like. Everybody, I apologize. I forgot to let you guys know that I'm gonna put a teaspoon of smoked paprika in this mix, in this pot. Just a teaspoon of it. I'm definitely gonna try to measure that out some. That's my fault. I do apologize for those of you who are following along. in that seasoning mix that you did, make sure that you add some smoked paprika to that mix. And if you can, make sure that it's smoked paprika if you have it. If you don't have it and all you have is regular paprika, then go ahead and use it. But that smoked just adds some extra depth to the dish. We'll be back when that comes to a boil. Here's our red beans, you guys, with the andouille sausage. Everything, that's my fan on the stove, so don't pay that any attention. This has come to a boil. Take a look. Got all your seasonings up in there. This is when you kind of want to, like I do right here, I taste the back of the spoon a little bit just to check your seasonings. And I'm like right there. I feel like I need like a half a teaspoon of everything one more time. Like right there. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add a half a teaspoon of all the seasonings really quick. Dash garlic powder. Taste your food, y'all, because you can't just be serving up no bull crap. A little bit more oregano. Half a teaspoon, if that more, of black pepper, Tony Shershreys, just a little bit. And I'm going to give it a half teaspoon more of smoked paprika. And then we're going to turn this down on a medium low heat because you want it to simmer. And we want to cook this on, make sure it's simmering for at least an hour. 45 minutes to an hour. However, within that hour, I'm gonna come back probably about 30 minutes and I'll show you what it looks like, okay? We're gonna turn this down. On a medium low, so it can simmer down. We'll be back. I'll probably be back in about 30 minutes so to show you what it looks like and what the next step is. Y'all, here's my jasmine rice that I made. Perfect. I'm going to plate up a bowl of this beans and rice. And what we're going to do is let Dad taste test it. This is ready to go. Go ahead and turn that off. Because we don't want no sticking. That's thick enough. That's how we want it. Parsley flakes. There it is right there. That is absolutely delicious. And we're just gonna garnish it with just little parsley flakes. If you got some green onions or something, you can definitely garnish it with that. And we'll be back for a taste test.
Okay, people, I'm gonna try these beans and rice my wife made. Let's see what's going on. It's pretty good. I gotta get another little taste to make sure.
That's my first time making beans and rice.
No,
Like that.
that was real good. Tastes real good. Just a little spicy, but
That's from that end.
tastes pretty good.
You need a little bit more juice in it.
No, I just need a little more.
How about the flavors? Flavors coming through. Can you taste them?
Yeah.
Thank you all for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join the G Squad. This is the best cooking channel on YouTube. Make sure you try out our recipes and tag us on all of your social media. And thank you for coming in. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.